Hey, it's Anna with WTI, and this disco ball diffuser is the best thing you didn't know you needed.
It's a rotating disco ball diffuser from the brand Dongzhen, and it is so fun. It comes with everything that you need, even extra mirror pieces in case you lose one. I love that it lights up from the inside, but look at it when the sun hits it. It is the best party, and my cats are obsessed with it. They chase the lights around everywhere. The features on this are so cool. You can have the rotation go two different speeds. It has a 1, 2, and 3 hour timer, and you can also have it rotate through the different colors or pick one color to stay on. It works so well. I just really appreciate how thoughtful the design is in this diffuser. I have a ton of diffusers, but this one has quickly become my new favorite. It is just so fun. The mist works fantastic and it's just beautiful. I mean, look at this thing. I love it. It's also completely silent, so you're not hearing the rotating or anything. I really appreciate that because I love to fall asleep to it.
I am so obsessed with this diffuser. It makes the vibes absolutely immaculate. I am so happy with it, and you are going to love it too. And that's my point of view.